an amazing opportunity to own one of the most unique floor plans at Palacio del Mar. This is the last 3-bedroom condo available with this layout. By far, the most spacious condo in this development, with over 5,000 square feet split between the indoor living area and an immense ocean view deck with a garden area and a large jacuzzi. All the living areas have access to this beautiful deck through large glass sliding doors, which open widely to include the outdoors in the entertaining spaces. The kitchen is exquisitely designed, featuring roomy wooden cabinets and a pantry, stunning quartz countertops and backsplash, and charming ocean views from the kitchen bar. Additionally, the kitchen is fully equipped with stainless steel appliances. The master bedroom has views of the Pacific Ocean, embellished by the villas and landscaped walkways of Palacio del Mar. It also has access to the deck in front, and the glass sliding doors provide plenty of natural light. The layout of the condo is perfect for both entertaining guests and taking advantage of the scenery. The master bedroom closet is enormous, and so is the master bath. The second bedroom has a walk-in closet and an ensuite bath. The third bedroom has a full-size closet. Both bedrooms also have large sliding doors that lead to another garden outside, with views of the hills behind Palacio del Mar. Palacio del Mar is located at kilometer 50 on the Carretera Libre Tijuana-Ensenada, just south of the sand dunes. Near Palacio del Mar you will find restaurants, small shops and services like Splash Restaurant, Primo Tapia, and La Fonda. Please call us to schedule an appointment to view this condo.